China EV Post is reporting that Tesla's China operations saw a slowdown last month, with 63,238 vehicles sold from its Shanghai factory, a drop of 11% from a year ago and 33% lower than December. The dip is largely attributed to the Chinese New Year holiday, which temporarily halted production. Tesla had planned to pause some Model Y production from January 22 to February 14 and Model 3 production from January 26 to February 3 to optimize equipment. Despite this, Tesla's revamped Model Y, launched in China on January 10, has been well received, racking up over 70,000 orders in just 5 days. In response to the competitive market, Tesla also announced an $1,100 insurance subsidy for all Model 3 variants. Meanwhile, in the latest 2-week insurance registration data, Tesla recorded 13,400 units, while BYD led significantly with 68,100, and NIO reported 3,300. You are listening to Yuan News.